Up for sale, I got a 1966 Nova Super Sport. It's a real Super Sport 118 VIN, so it's a V8 Super Sport from the factory. Finished in red with bucket seats, console, 350, power brakes with front disc, power steering. I'm going to walk around it, tell you more about the car, show you some of the flaws, fire it up and then drive it. So if you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Like I said, 66 Super Sport Nova, real Super Sport. Rally wheels, red paint, newer chrome, a little something on that smudge right there. Real nice chrome and trim throughout the car. This front chrome bumper looked excellent. There's a little chip right there, a little touch up, and a little crack in the paint. Very straight body. Two chips right there and then another right there. It is a 350 V8. I will pop the hood actually. I'll show you that now. It is kind of a nicely detailed engine compartment. Billet hoses, billet water pump, billet power steering, billet power brakes and master cylinder. Billet. Sounds good. Trim tag is in place. I know you can't read it, but I'll have a picture on the ad. Turbo 350 automatic trans. A little black smudge right there. That could definitely be buffed out. Tilt steering, or steering column, Super Sport wheel. It's got Sunpro gauges. Nice dash pad. There's no cracks in the dash pad. Super Sport console. There's the VIN tag. Nice headliner. All the interior is in very nice condition. Nice seats, rear seat, nice door panels, nice dash pad, tilt, very nice interior, nice carpet. Couple of touch-ups along the door right there. The trunk is finished as well, and it's correct spatter paint, matte, jack, spare, Super Sport floor mats as well, in case you wanted to throw those in, keep the carpet fresh. The rear bumper is excellent too. Nice trim. This part of the car is nice as well. It will be up for sale later today or tomorrow. NextGenClassicCars.com or eBay. Both links to both will be in the description of this video, so you can check them out if you want. Like I said, real Super Sport V8 car from the factory, 66 Nova 350, turbo 350. Power brakes with front disc, power steering, tilt, console, buckets, red with black. I have about 7,000 to 8,000 in recent receipts on the car. I know there was a new carb. I'm sure a lot of that billet stuff was new, probably new wheels, but the paperwork will be included with the car. So thanks for watching. We'll fire it up now. Oh, I know, new carb, headers, dual exhaust with dumps underneath the car. Anyway, we'll fire it up now and take it for a ride. Thanks for watching.